Ready for a preview of our website? This video will provide a step-by-step walkthrough on how to successfully place an order from beginning to end. There are multiple ways to browse our products. You may browse all products, our house brand D2 products, dental products, medical products, products on promotion, or products featured in our catalogs. However, if you know exactly what you're looking for, you can simply use the search bar and type in the product name or SKU number. Let's show you an example. We will use our house brand D2 ear loop mask as an example. Once you click on the product, first select the level you desire, then choose whether you want the order shipped to you or if you would like to pick it up at the office. Then select the quantity. Lastly, click Add to Shopping Cart. A window will pop up presenting two options to choose from. If you want to check out and complete the order, click View Cart and Check Out. If you want to shop more products, click Continue Shopping. Once you're in the shopping cart, review everything to ensure the product and quantity is correct. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Input your login information if you're an existing customer, or create an account if you're a new customer. After you've created a new account or logged in, enter the shipping address and click Continue. Enter any shipping notes, if applicable. Input your credit card details. Enter the billing address or click on the box stating that it is the same as shipping address. Click Continue and review your order one final time. Please ensure to read over our terms and conditions. Once confirmed, click I agree to the terms and conditions and then click Place Order. If you need to refer back to the terms and conditions at any point, the link can be found in the footer. If you are buying a product that has a buy X get Y promotion, you must enter the total quantity including the free item. For example, if product A is on promotion for buy 5 get 2 free, in the quantity section you have to put 7. And at checkout, the product will be discounted accordingly. Some products have bulk discounts, meaning if you buy X amount, then you will get the product at a lower cost. For example, Optum Blue Wipes regular price is $9.99 per canister. However, if you buy 60 cans, it will cost $8.99 per can instead of $9.99. If you choose to claim the bulk discount, add the minimum quantity required and then proceed to cart. If you have any questions or experiencing any difficulties, feel free to contact us from Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at 1-866-449-9998.